Welcome to the Cast Iron Babe. I'm Julianne and I'm so happy that you're here. Today I'm going to show you a refreshing summer treat and fun family activity that is going to teach your kids valuable life skills so they can help out around the house more. And today we're making Watermelon Blueberry StickLess Popsicles. There's only 5 ingredients and they're actually something that you can feel really good about serving your family. Stick with us. Now let's talk about the tools that you're going to need. First, a cutting board, 2 knives, a round freezable dish with a rim, and a blender or food processor. Now before you begin making your popsicles, you have to set the stage for fun. Play your favorite music a little louder than usual, dance, wiggle your bodies, wear your special apron, your silly hat, and make sure to keep snacks on hand for hungry cooks to enjoy along the way. Now in making your watermelon popsicles, let the kids do as much as they safely can. Remember that even the smallest amount of participation, even if it's just a grunt and one small task, is acknowledged and celebrated. Now here's how you make them. Center cut the watermelon in large round slices about 1 to 1.5 inch thick. Each slice is approximately 6 popsicles. With a slice of watermelon lying flat on the cutting board, cut the watermelon out of the rind without cutting through the rind. Cut the watermelon from the inner ring of the watermelon rind. And now cut the watermelon into medium-sized chunks. Lift the rind ring from the cutting board and set aside for use as our mold. Pulse the watermelon chunks gently, you don't want it to get too liquid, in your food processor or blender. Add your Greek yogurt, lemon juice, and sugar if you're going to add it, and pulse again until fully mixed. Set aside. Now, place plastic wrap tightly around one side of the watermelon ring to minimize possible leaking. Don't worry if it leaks a little. Pour the watermelon mix carefully into the watermelon ring. Drop juicy blueberries as your seeds, and then freeze until solid, about 4 hours. So let's talk heart to heart for just a moment while we let these freeze. Your willingness to let things get a little sticky and engage your family in helping clean up will model teamwork and contribution, and it's going to build their confidence. Now, this isn't about perfection. It's about going with the attitude that it's going to be a success, no matter what. Now, I know you might be saying, let it get messy. Are you kidding me? And I get it. But take it from me as a mom of grown kids, and now I'm a grandmother, just a little extra time inviting your kids into running of the household and engaging with them in teaching day-to-day skills will ultimately allow your kids to share in the household responsibilities and prepare them for their future. When you pair learning a skill with an entertaining and encouraging environment, it goes a long way towards building more teamwork and participation around the house. And who doesn't need that? She is waiting with bated breath for me to take a bite of this, give this a try. So I'm gonna chop into it. I don't know, it's like a circus in your mouth. It's cold, it tastes delicious, and you just hold it right by the rind. No need for a watermelon stick here. Would you like some of it? Want some? But she just ate most of it. Now you're probably looking forward to these watermelon popsicles as much as I am. Enjoy them and the special times with your loved ones. These memories will be so good. If you like our channel, please click subscribe. If you like this video, click on like. Tell your friends about us and come back again and grow with us, because we love it when you come back. Share your experiences and recipes. As far as we're concerned, you're part of the community the minute you clicked on your first Cast Iron Babe episode. Remember our mission: feed the people, nourish yourself. I'll see you on the next episode of the Cast Iron Babe. Bye-bye.